Going to be doing an unboxing of a Belkin Power Strip Surge Protector, 12 AC multiple outlets, an 8-foot long flat plug, heavy duty extension cord for home office, travel, computer, desktop, 3940 joules. I forget how many watts this thing takes. What does it take? Joules. So they give you some insurance thing you're never going to use. We got this nice cool box. Now let me show you before I continue. I bought that years ago. That's the basic, the Amazon. I think it's the Amazon Basic. Yeah, it says Amazon down there. That's the basic power thing that I bought. It's worked out really well. I wanted to buy this. Let me explain why I bought this. I've got a power strip at my mom's house that I have the computer plugged into, and I also, let's get this in the video. I've got the computer plugged into and the router's plugged into it, and the cameras are plugged into the router. Well, it's wireless, and the problem is that it's got a, what the heck is this thing? I guess this is so the cables can go in there. We probably have some, never going to use that. And I don't know what this sticker is. I got some, probably for network. Not going to use that. So, as I was saying, what do we have here? We've got protected, not grounded, so it lets you know if it's working and if it's protected. What's the price on this thing? What did I pay for this? Under 25 bucks. So that's a really good deal. It's got a very good rating. Some of these companies, not this company, some of these companies, you look at some of the reviews and they show the outlets burned up. You know, companies are not going to come out and make a product that's dangerous that they're going to be sued for. So I wouldn't be worried about something like that over here. Looks like we have slide covers. Yeah, so we got the slide covers over here, the protective covers. You slide it, it's closed. I wouldn't really say that matters that much. That's not going to protect anyone. I don't know. The reason I bought this thing is because a computer. The problem nowadays, everybody's got a dongle, a huge power brick, a huge AC adapter. And if you plug in here, if you plug in a big thing, it's going to wipe out these two. So you need something that is going to give you a lot of space. I know it would be nice to have something compact, but nowadays, if you're just plugging one thing in, you don't have to buy something this humongous. But if you're plugging in something with a power brick, like the AC adapter for your router, and then the AC adapter for your cable modem, and then the AC adapter for your laptop, 1, 2, 3. You're going to wipe out most of the space on a box like this. That's the point of buying this. Comes with a grounded plug. That's what you need nowadays for safety, for ground protection, ground fault. You can't beat the price. It looks nice. It's made by Belkin. Belkin's been around forever. They do a lot of electronic stuff, power boxes, routers, wireless stuff. So that's my review. It's compact. It's not like the Amazon one. It doesn't weigh anywhere near as much as the Amazon one, but it will handle, where's that box? It will handle lots of joules. Nobody knows what joules are. Not joules in your watch. 3940 joules of surge protection, 12 outlets, 8-foot power cord, slim design, definitely that's true. Add outlets, protect your electronics, save space. What other cool stuff does it say? Low profile plug. It's a low profile plug, but it's one of those angled things, so, but it goes out to the side. That's the nice advantage. So you got your low power profile plug, phone line protection. Does anybody have a phone nowadays? Cable management. That was these little things over here. Safety covers. Yeah. $300,000 equipment warranty. Good luck on that. I'm really honest with my reviews. Sorry. If I'm happy with a product, I'll let you know. And slim design, yeah, I haven't plugged it in. You got a whole bunch of info over here that you don't really care about. 1800 watts continuous duty. 60 hertz, 18 or 8, there we go. 120 volts, 15 amps. If you're blowing a 15 amps through here, you're going to blow your circuit breaker. 1800 watts. If you got 125 volts, you got 1875 watts. Lots of Joule stuff, maximum spike current, UL clamping, noise filtration. Is this thing UL approved? That's what I'm looking for. Is it UL approved? Belkin, Los Angeles, made in China. UL listed. And that, my friends, is the most important thing. A lot of stuff you buy online now is not UL listed, and you don't really know the quality of it. So UL listing, at least it gives you some peace of mind that it's a good quality product that's not going to burn down the house. You don't want to do that. That's my review on the Belkin Surge Protector. I'm going to post this right now. Check out the video description for a link if you want to buy this thing. It will help out my channel with a few cents of dinero. And thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and all that groovy stuff. Thanks for watching, people.